morning and happy Independence Day. On 74th anniversary of our independence, I extend my warm greetings to the entire gathering. This day is also celebrated to commemorate and to pay homage to all the martyrs who sacrificed their lives for our country. As a citizen of India, I feel proud to talk about my Mother India. It brings me immense joy and happiness as it reminds us that freedom fighting was a collective effort. Without the cooperation, sacrifice and involvement of all Indians, it would have been impossible to get freedom. I, on my personal behalf and behalf of all my colleagues at NIPER Mohali, express our sincere gratitude to all those who fought for the freedom struggle. Patriotism only can save the freedom of our nation with unity, irrespective of religion, language, caste, custom and tradition. And always remember a very famous phrase, not to ask what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for the country. India is the cradle of the human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. Probably here, there is hardly anyone who woke up on the midnight of 15th August 1947 to hear India's tryst with destiny. We are all born in an independent country and hence probably understand very little about the insult of being governed by a foreign power. However, whenever we are away from the country, we observe that non-resident Indians celebrating Independence Day with more vigor than people celebrate in the country itself. Probably it is the feeling of an identity as an Indian which is behind such emotions. The identity of being an independent country where sovereign power of deciding our destiny rests with us brings about a huge responsibility on our shoulders. We, particularly the elite who are in this campus, have got double the responsibility compared to a common man to dedicate our service and life for the progress of the nation. The money spent on each student here in NIPER Mohali would have been enough to have a village primary school. The money spent on each faculty members could have been enough to finance a small secondary school. The nation, although constrained with its resources, did spend such a huge amount of common man's money, only to expect that institutions like NIPERS will contribute for the progress of the nation. Hence, before we point finger on anyone for the problem which the country is facing, let us not forget that whenever we point finger at anyone, three more fingers at the same hand points towards ourselves. We shall be failing in our responsibility as citizens of an independent nation if we do not dedicate ourselves to the service of the nation. Taking steps for that can be by making NIPER Mohali a great institution dedicated to the service of the nation. Who can carry out this work? It is the students, faculty and staff of this institution who should take the lead and think of giving back their best to the nation by giving best service to the institution. We all have our personal agenda that I understand of progressing in our career, but let's do it without forgetting our responsibility towards the nation. It has been almost a year that I have been associated with NIPER Mohali. I could have spent some more time, but due to this COVID pandemic, I think my stay was curtailed. But I made sure that my responsibility towards the institution is not compromised. And whatever best I could have done to see that NIPER should get enough funds, NIPER should get all what they deserve to get, has been fulfilled. I have been talking to ministry, I have been talking to my colleagues there in NIPER Mohali, but still I thank the staff and the faculty for supporting me, helping me. I can understand the plight of particularly the PhD students who are the first sufferer during this pandemic. I have asked Dean to see that they are back in campus at earliest. And I also expect that faculty, students and staff should feel their greater responsibility here, because they don't have only to take care of their own health, but also the health of their colleague. I hope all the students will understand their responsibility, and same I expect from faculty and staff once, particularly the PhD students, come back to the campus. And this is an appeal which I am making to all the faculty, all the staff, and in particular the students. Again, in the last, I hope you will all extend a hand of support to me in fulfilling the task which has been given to me by the ministry, and will do your duties which have been assigned with honesty and with dedication. And also I urge that let us also fulfill the vision and mission of our Honorable Prime Minister, which he is having for our nation by contributing our best to our institute. Once again, I send my best wishes to you and your family on Independence Day, and also wish you all a safe and healthy life. Jai Hind.